taking this wood out of these ends turned out to be a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. It seemed to have swollen in there. I tried to drill it out, and that didn't work. So that's probably the best way to get it out. So we'll try that on all of them. The interesting thing about these is somehow frogs got inside there. Because it's full of rivets. Dad joke. Alright, I'm going to try and take the rest of them out. That was easier than I thought. I got this one stuck in there, drilling it out and trying to push it in, chisel it, and it just pushed in further. So we'll get the rest of them out, and then I'll cut my boards and we'll go from there. Okay, I've got a coat of paint on those, and when that dries, that'll be ready to slip into that aluminum. And I don't know if I explained why I'm doing this, but that'll give me something to screw the plywood to, rather than just put the rivets in. So, that being done, we'll let that paint dry, and I'll slip them in there, and we'll be ready to mount those and get the plywood finished and finish that deck. Alright, I got the decking painted and I got the decking in place. I put a screwdriver to keep my gap there. And I'm just going to put a couple screws around to hold it together. I got to brace a adjustable support underneath to hold the center up. I'll get a couple screws in. Then I'll go underneath and put my aluminum bracing in, and I'll just start stitching it up with I think it's 1.5 inch screws and finish washers. So I'll get a couple of them in, and then we'll get under there and do the aluminum bracing. I've got my deck supports in underneath. Now if you're doing it the way it was originally done, these will be on top. But now I'm going to go up and start stitching on that plywood. And that'll finish up the deck. Alright, that finishes the plywood deck, and that'll finish this video. There's a lot of little odds and ends to do. Missing a bolt here, run out of this or run out of that, but not enough to start another video after this one. So I think the next video I'll get the mast out and we'll take a look at the mast and go from there. So that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. Give me a like.